I'm Joel Engel. Welcome to C-Lemme Companies.
C-Lemme is located on the corner of Highway 11 and 41st Street in Sioux Falls.
Dan Lemme started in partnership with Jack Haar mid-90s. It was C-Lemme Companies. And over time, Dan Lemme and Jack Haar and Gary Haar and Doug Haar began to form a union with Haar and Lemme Development for the land development aspect to supplement and help us with the home building industry. I've always been intrigued with the process, taking an idea that may sound like minimal or nothing in the beginning and transitioning that to an idea that's fruitful for somebody's business or somebody's livelihood. C-Lemme Companies, our strength has always been our talent as home builders. A natural fit with that was the development of residential neighborhoods, and with the neighborhoods comes opportunities for business development. What inspires me is Sioux Falls and the attitude of growth that this community has, and the people that I work with. We really have an excellent team. We enjoy what we do. The most important thing that people should remember about C-Lemme Companies is we will put your integrity, your finances, and the responsibility for that at the paramount of what we do. Now that you know a little bit about C-Lemme Companies, let's go take a look at one of our villa homes. This is one of our new villa homes, custom built in our Grand Prairie edition, built for that maintenance-free lifestyle. A villa home is just a single-family home, but we couple that with a homeowners association to help you take care of the exterior maintenance. In this particular home, very traditionally finished, popular white finishes on the cabinetry, neutral tones, but the overall design theme of these homes is open floor plans, very little wasted space, built for efficiency but with executive finishes in mind. In most of our villa homes, you're going to find a lot of extra glass, a lot of extra tile work, detailed crown moldings, wood flooring, granite countertops, a lot of the things that you would find in higher-end executive homes. The trend in the villa homes is the downsizing trend. So we have a lot of folks that are buying that are used to much bigger space, but acclimated to much nicer finishes. What we try to incorporate in all of the homes that we build is to try to capture as much light and as much open feel as you can, keep the views to the outdoors at a premium as much as possible. Just because it's a smaller footprint doesn't mean it has to feel like a smaller home. Everything we do is 100% custom design. The first question that I get from most customers is, can we change this? Can we add this? Can we pick this? And the answer is across the board is yes. You should choose C-Lemme Companies for your home because of our background and experience. Our customer relations record is second to none. The best compliments that we've received over the years is the opportunities to come back a second, a third, a fourth time and build homes for people as their needs change. Everybody has a budget, everybody has a limit, but the options are unlimited. We can design to a specific style, specific architectural elements, specific finishes, and we're not location specific either. The most important thing to remember about C-Lemme is that our focus is the satisfaction of our customer. If you want to learn more about C-Lemme Companies, take an initial visit to our website, check out some of the projects, and from there, if our work intrigues you, we'd love to meet with you in person.